Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring in virtual reality. This easy guide will walk you through the essential steps to transform your journey into the lands between. We'll cover everything from the necessary hardware to the specific software and mods you'll need. Get ready to experience the vast world of Elden Ring like never before, with an immersive perspective that brings every challenge closer. To begin your immersive adventure, a powerful personal computer is absolutely essential. Aim for a system with at least an NVIDIA RTX 3000 series or AMD Radeon 6000 series graphics card. You will also need 16 GB of RAM and an Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7 processor. Pair this with a compatible virtual reality headset, such as a Valve Index or Meta Quest 2, for the best experience. Once your hardware is ready, the next step involves installing the crucial software. You will need a dedicated virtual reality mod specifically designed for Elden Ring, often found through community forums. This mod works in conjunction with a VR injector tool, which helps integrate the game seamlessly with your chosen headset. Carefully follow the installation instructions and configure the mod settings for optimal visual fidelity and smooth performance. For a truly comfortable and immersive experience, fine-tune your in-game and mod settings. Adjusting the field of view and enabling comfort options can significantly reduce motion sickness. Experiment with different camera perspectives, whether you prefer a first-person view or a more traditional third-person virtual reality experience. Remember to take short, frequent breaks, perhaps every 20 to 30 minutes, to prevent eye strain and maintain your enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.